Hello RST fans, I am Rishik and today we are going to be reviewing this brand new product from Xech. It's called as the Xech Airwave. This is the white color version of it. Its weight is 1400 grams. So what it has inside, it's safely packed. This is the fan. Look at this. It's actually quite big, and I've heard this is supposed to cool down the entire room. The angle is completely adjustable, and this is a unit. This is oscillatory button. This is a plug. And yeah, this is just the manual. It has warranty on it too, so in case if there is any problem, we can just simply scan the QR code given. And yeah, and how to control it is that just to turn it on, you have to first plug it in to the outlet, and just simply dial this knob. It turns on. And you want it to oscillate, just click this button. It will move around 120 degrees of oscillation. And yeah, let's test it. I have plugged it in, so you can just simply move it up like this. And to just turn it on, just simply move this knob. This is max. You can't hear it, but the maximum sound it makes is 45 decibels. And if you want it to spin it around the room, just simply press this. And look at that, it just moves on its own. 2200 rotations per minute. This is better than any portable fan actually. This fan can be from 22.5 centimeters and 34 centimeters high. It's actually very good quality, brand new. And the room is literally, it's actually cool. Feel it once, feel it.
Wow, it's actually cold despite the hot summer.